The picture shows information about food preparation. There are four steps need to prepare before we cook. First step, we need to clean your hand. Second step, we need to separate the meat like slightly. And the step three, we need to cook, organize the time. And the step four, we need to make sure the degree correct for the put in the fridge. In conclusion, the picture showing the food preparation.
The diagram shows the steps in food preparation. The first step is washing your hands. You have to wash your hands using water until it's clean. Second step, you have to use a clean knife to cut your meat and vegetables. Third step is to put your food in a tray and cook it at desired temperature. And the last step is to pack all your food. And if it's not finished, you have to put it in the refrigerator. In conclusion, this is a very informative pictures to how to serve food.
The following image gives us information about food preparation. The number of items in the picture are clean and separate. You can also see that the chill and cook. You can also see that the highest value of chill and the lowest value of clean and separate. The number of items in the picture are different. You can also see that the highest value of chill and less value of the clean. Overall, the image gives us information about food preparation.
This flow gives information about chilling. It also shows different objects such as meat and chicken. In the middle of the picture, I can see separate and cooking. On the other hand, I can see chilling and refrigerator. The first step is killing, however the last step is chilling.
I can see a very colorful and beautiful process chart in front of me. This is a four-step process chart. And first step, lady is cleaning her hands to wash her hand properly and sanitize for cooking the meal. And the second step, she is separating the beef and the vegetables by cutting it with a knife. And in the third step, it is ready to cook in the oven. The time is up to the lady. And then the four steps, she is storing the cooked meal in the fridge to preserve it for a longer time. Overall, the chart is very informative.
This picture provides information about how to prepare the cook. The step 1 is a clean and wash your hands very cleanly. In the second step is a cut and separate meat each other. In the step 3 you must think the chicken, put in the oven and cook it. In the last position and last step you must refrigerate using, for example, chill your cooking and your food and put it in the refrigerator. In conclusion, this picture provides information about how to make a cooking.
This picture tells about how to prepare food of meat. The first step, clean, starts with the washing hands under a running tap. Once this is completed, the subsequent step, separate, is to cut meat into pieces with a knife. After that, the meat is put into a roasting machine for cooking. In this step, the meat is processed in a very high temperature. The final step, chill, is to put cooked meat into a refrigerator. To sum up the pie chart, the picture tells about steps in preparation of food.
This flow gives information about chilling. It also shows different objects such as chicken and meat. In the middle of the picture, I can see separate and cook. The first step is clean, however the last step is chill. The connection between cooking and separating are also important.
The image gives information about food preparation. The first step starts with the cleaning your hands, and the second step is cutting the meat, and the third step is cooking in the oven, and the fourth step is chilling in the refrigerator. In conclusion, there are four steps in the food preparation.
The given image provided is a food preparation. In the picture I can see it is the fourth step of cooking. In the picture I can also see the step 1 contain the cleaning of the hand. In the picture I can also see the step 2 is separating the meat in the cutting board. In the picture I can also see the step 3 is cooking the meat in the frying pan. In the picture I can also see the fourth step is chilling out the meat in the refrigerator. Overall the picture is very informative. Thank you. The given image provide the information about food preparation. In the picture I can see there is the fourth step. In the picture I can see the first step is to clean the hand. In the second picture I can also see it is separating the meat. In the third picture I can also see the meat is been cooking. In the fourth picture I can also see the meat is been stored in the refrigerator. Overall the picture is very informative. Thank you.
The provided image shows the information about cooking of steps. There are total four number of steps involved. The process is linear with each stage connected logically. The process begins with cleaning first because before having anything or before cooking, cleaning is compulsory. Then step 2 is separate, chopping anything because for cooking chopping is also important. And then step 3 is then we can cook the food in the microwave and any temperature whatever it requires. Then step 4 is we can take anything from the refrigerator like juice. Overall, it provides information about cooking steps.
The image provided is a food diagram that gives information about the food preparations. So from the image it is clear that first we have to clean our hand with soap and water, and then once our hand is clean then we can cut the meat into small pieces. After cutting the meat into small pieces then we can keep the meat into the oven. So once the meat is kept into the oven, when it is cooked then we take out the meat and keep in the refrigerator to get chill. So in the refrigerator we can also keep food, drinks and water. So overall, the food diagram also explains the preparation of food.